This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the exact components and checking you meet the crafting prerequisites. Go to your inventory, verify you have 3 Azure Ore, 2 Obsidian Shard, and 1 Mystic Core. Make sure your crafting bench is unlocked. Once done, position the character who benefits most from the ring. You want correct stats to carry through upgrades. Now open the crafting menu, choose the ring tab, and prepare to synthesize. This first step prevents wasted materials and saves time in the long run. Now you execute the crafting sequence with care. Select the Azure Obsidian ring schematic and inspect the possible stat rolls. This tells you what outcomes to aim for. Then, add materials in the recommended order. Mystic Core first, Obsidian Shards next, and Azure Ore last. That order nudges the primary stat distribution. Make sure to activate any temporary crafting buffs or food that increase critical roll chance. Once you confirm, begin synthesis and watch the preview for reroll opportunities. Finish by enhancing the ring and validating its performance. Upgrade using enhancement mats until you reach the target level and prioritize the main stat cap. This solidifies the value of your craft. If the initial stat roll is unsatisfactory, immediately use reroll currency or dismantle the item to reclaim partial resources. Doing so early saves costs. Finally, equip the ring, confirm synergy with your character build and artifacts, then test it in a short encounter. If something goes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.